Friends, Namaskaram, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Aerodynamic. My name is Neha Shabati. Today we are going to do some case-based questions from science. First, let us start with chemistry. Let us do the given case-based question. All metals do not react with oxygen at the same rate. Different metals show different reactivities towards oxygen. Almost all metals combine with oxygen to form metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature. But some metal oxides such as aluminum oxide, zinc oxide, etc. show both acidic as well as basic behavior. Most metal oxides are insoluble in water, but some like sodium oxide and potassium oxide dissolve in water to produce alkalis. So this is the case-based questions paragraph. By reading this paragraph, we have understand that this is from the chapter metal and non-metals. Now let us solve the given questions. The first question is that arrange the metals in the correct order of their reactivity. So here we have given some group of metals, that is magnesium, aluminium, zinc and iron. So these are the four metals that is given. Now out of this magnesium, aluminium, zinc and iron, which is the most reactive metal? We know magnesium is the most reactive metal, and after magnesium, out of aluminium, zinc and iron, which is the most reactive metal? Aluminium. Now in between zinc and iron, which is the most reactive metal? Zinc, and at last iron. So this is the order, that is magnesium is greater than aluminium, aluminium is greater than zinc and zinc is greater than iron. Which option matches to our answer? Option A. So option A is the correct answer. If you're still not familiar with the trick to remember the reactivity series, make sure to watch the video that have already been uploaded. The link of the video will be given in the description box below. Now, let us move on to the second question. Why does the magnesium ribbon need to be cleaned before burning it in the air? The first option is to increase its efficiency. The second option, to remove the oxide layer from it. The third option is to decrease its efficiency, and option D says all of this. And the correct answer is to remove the oxide layer from it. So magnesium ribbon has to be cleaned because it forms an oxide layer outermost. It forms an outside layer of magnesium oxide in it. And in order to remove it, we will clean it with the sandpaper. So the option B is the correct answer. Now let us move to third question. The third question is that what is the reason for the surface of aluminium turn into dull color after a few days as shown in the figure? You can see the dull color in the aluminium pan, and you will be able to see. Now what is the reason for this? Option A is saying that due to the formation of the stable aluminium oxide layer, and option B says due to the reaction with atmospheric dirt particles, and option C says due to its ductile nature. At last, option D says none of this. The correct option is actually option A. I hope you have already guessed it, because aluminium actually forms a layer of aluminium oxide, a protective layer of aluminium oxide. So it forms a dull color. That is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. Now the fourth question is that why is it necessary to keep the sodium immersed in kerosene oil? So before reading the options itself, we still know the answer. That is because sodium is very reactive, that it can vigorously react with the oxygen water if it let outside. So that is why it is stored in kerosene oil. So we have already think of the answer. Now look at the option that matches to the answer that we have think already. So option A says that sodium react vigorously with the oxygen and water, producing a lot of heat or fire. Option B says sodium react with kerosene to produce byproduct. Option B says sodium react with kerosene to produce byproduct. Option C says sodium is very less reactive metal. Or option D says none of this. So as we have already think of the answer earlier, that is option A, sodium reacts vigorously with the oxygen and water and produce a lot of heat or fire. Now the fifth question and the last question of this case-based question is that aluminium oxide react in the following manner with bases. The resultant product, so we have to fill up this equation. So aluminium oxide plus sodium hydroxide gives us what? What it gives? Sodium aluminate plus H2O. So which option does match to our answer? Is it option A? Option A says aluminum chloride plus H2O. Option C says aluminum oxide plus H2O. Option B says the correct answer, that is sodium aluminate plus H2O. Therefore option B is the correct answer. So in this video we will be only solving this one question. In the next video we will come up with another question. Till then, take care and bye. Thank you.